What if I told you there is a place in Europe so magical, so breathtaking that it could be the eighth wonder of the world? Let's explore the incredible Neuschwanstein castle in Germany. Before we start this video, please hit like and subscribe this channel for incredible travel videos. So let's get started. Number 1. A real-life fairy tale. Neuschwanstein Castle looks like something straight out of a storybook. Its tower and majestic design, surrounded by the Bavarian Alps, makes it one of the most beautiful places in the world. Number 2. A castle full of history. Neuschwanstein Castle, built by King Ludwig II in the 19th century. This masterpiece was inspired by medieval legends. Inside each room reflects the king's love for art and mythology, brings history to life. Number 3. A global attraction. Over 1.4 million visitors visit this incredible place every year. Neuschwanstein is a top destination in Europe. Its enchanting design even inspired Disney's famous Sleeping Beauty castle. Number 4. Spectacular views. Set high in the Bavarian hills, the castle offers panoramic views of the Alps, forests, and lakes. Its blend of nature, beauty, and architectural geniuses. Number 5. A true European wonder. Located near Australian border, Neuschwanstein Castle is a must visit. Its history, charm, and breathtaking setting make it deserving for the title of eighth wonder in the world. For more videos, must subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.